Alright guys, welcome to Rod Smoking Stuff. Today we're on the Blackstone again. We're going to be making some smash burgers. And I have a small Blackstone, so I can't do it like most people do and cook the burgers, toast the buns, all that. So I'm going to toast the buns first because I don't want the burgers to get cold while we're waiting. So I'm going to show you how to do this on a 22-inch Blackstone for a lot of people, okay? First thing we've done, you want to take your buns, put some mayo on them. I know that sounds weird, but trust me, it's the best way to toast these. Mayonnaise has a lot of oil in it, and it'll make a great toast on these buns. So you can get them all on here. That one's trying to fall apart. We're going to toast them all, and then stick around. I'll show you the next step. You can see this pretty much fills up my entire grill, so there's no way I could do it all at once. But it's possible with a small grill to make a perfect smash burger, so stick around. So after I've had these on a minute, I like to just kind of push them down just a little. Helps to get all of the bun toasted better. I don't smash them, I just push them down. We're not smash burgering the buns. We just want them to touch the surface as much as possible. Alright guys, so these are starting to get done. You can see this one? Get that nice toasty bun. That's what we want. So that one's done. We're just going to keep going, checking these. That one could use a minute more. That one a minute more. Oh, that one's definitely done. That one's done. This one's done. Done. Okay, we're going to get these off and we'll get our burgers on. Alright guys, so we got our buns done. It's time to do our burgers. And we've got those right here. Just made some balls. I got the grill with some little bit of oil on it. We're going to go ahead and get these laid out and we'll start smashing them. Get a piece of parchment paper here and a burger press. Give those a nice smash. Probably a little more on that. There we go. Alright guys, I think this one's ready to flip. It's starting to turn brown on the top. Look at that crust we got on that. That's what we're talking about. That's what makes a good smash burger. Alright, I'm going to get the rest of these flipped over and get them cooked. Alright, and while those are finishing up, I got some real thin sliced onions here. I'm going to throw them up here and get them cooked. Okay, so I've got these ones that are done. This side of the grill's turned off. And there's only 3 of us that like cheese on our burger in this family. Imagine that. So 3 of these are going to get some cheese on them. I'm going to move that one over to this one, because it's not going to get melty. And we're going to let that cheese melt, and then we'll get these inside and we'll serve them up. Alright guys, our burgers are done. Onions are done. We're gonna get these inside and eat. All right, guys, and so I'm gonna have a double smash burger because that's how I like them. The rest of the family says they're doing singles, so I'm gonna stack mine on top of there, and then I'm gonna throw another piece of cheese on top of that thing, just like that. I'm gonna close this down and let this cheese melt for just a minute. And I'm gonna get these off here. I'm gonna get the onions off right now because they're done. And then we'll get these burgers off and we'll go eat. All right, guys, there it is. Got our onions, pickles, ketchup, all that good stuff on there. Let's see how we did. Oh yeah, that's good. There's nothing wrong with that. That's a good burger. You got to try a smash burger on the Blackstone. If you haven't, give it a shot. Get you a Blackstone. Try it out. It's good stuff.